Guys, awesome hack if you want to film like makeup videos or videos for Instagram, YouTube. You can use a piece of cardboard as your background. I've just popped a little light to kind of face the background to give it a little bit of a gradient feel, and it will look like this. It looks so professional already, and I'm just filming in my exact same setup with a piece of cardboard behind me. Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'll be trying out these new 3CE multi-pot makeup. How cute is the packaging? If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Tina. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay updated with future videos that I post. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Tina_Yong. Today I'll be testing out the new 3CE Take a Layer multi-pots. These are multi-purpose cream colors that can be used on your lips, cheeks, and even eyes. They all have a matte effect, and it also helps to blur out your skin. There's 7 colors all up, but I only got 5 from YesStyle. You can get these online for about $18.55 each. Now, for some reason, my order kind of came separately, so I received one first. And I have a little confession, I have tried it. I tried it the other day and I really like it. So I'm really excited to try out the other colors because they're very different from the one that I tried. I found that they were really easy to blend and long lasting. Plus, I can just use my fingers and apply it on, so it's really, really quick. And can we just stop and appreciate the packaging of this? I just love the look of the model. She's just so pretty. I love the colors, I love her makeup. Also, that's the reason why I'm wearing contacts today, because she's wearing contacts and I'm like, okay, I need to wear contacts too. So there's 5 colors that I'm gonna try out today. Let's start off with the one that I already tried. This one is Diatimer. It is a beigey apricot color. So with these, you can just literally use your fingers to apply it. So I'm just going to dab it onto my lips first. Now these are matte, so I find that you need to have really like moisturized lips before you apply matte lipsticks on, because it can just accentuate, you know, all those little lines and flaky bits. So I've already applied lip balm this morning. And look how pretty that color is. And then I'm gonna dab some onto my cheeks. See, what I love about this is you can just create a whole look using just one color. So if you like those monochromatic looks, these products are perfect for it. Plus they're so small to pack, so really travel friendly. So I just use my fingers and pat it on, and I find that it blends out really nicely. Lately, I've just been really liking cream colors for my cheeks. Like, I've been obsessed with these Glossier cloud paints. I feel like they just apply on really nicely. It looks really natural. So these are very similar as well, but these are more matte. So I feel like this is actually a little bit more long wearing than the cloud paints. See how it looks on my cheeks and lips already? It's just like giving me a little bit more color on my face. And I feel like it's just really easy to apply. So it's pretty much like foolproof. Now for my eyes, I usually apply like a prime on first, or you can just go in with concealer. I'm just using the Fenty, what is this, Pro Filter Eye Primer. So I'm just going to quickly blend that out. That's just gonna smooth out and even out my base before I actually apply the multi-pot on top. Once that's set, I'm just going to, again, use my finger and then just apply it onto my eyes. I'm using a pressing motion first. And then I'm just blending that upwards. So this is great if you just want like a wash of color over your eyes and you don't want anything too intricate. And I'm just going a little bit higher up into my brow bone and just blending that up. Oh, I really like it already. Then if you want, you can build up the intensity to create a little bit more dimension around your eyes. And again, I'm just using a patting motion. You don't want to like tug and pull your eye area, because that will just cause like aging. We don't want that. So that's one eye done. See how quick and simple this is? This is like a time saver. This is just really good for those days that you're in a rush, you're in a hurry, and you don't have like time to sit there and blend out a smoky eye. This is just a quick alternative. Now you can leave your eyes like this and it's pretty much good to go, but if you feel like you have more of like an oily skin type, or you feel like you get oily lids throughout the day, a good trick is just to apply a bit of translucent powder over that color just to set it and make sure it lasts all day. So just grab a small fluffy brush and just grab a little bit of translucent powder with this. I'm using the Cover FX Perfect setting powder, and then just quickly dust it over your lid. That's just going to remove any excess oil and help set the eye color. Then you can go ahead and finish off your eye makeup. So if you want to line them, curl your lashes, mascara, whatever you want to do. But this is pretty much the color on my skin. Next color I'm going to try is Scarlet Red. This is a bold red color that has more of like a pinkish hue to it. To be honest, I am a little bit concerned about this color because I really don't put red on my cheeks at all. You know what I mean? Like red's just not one of those colors that I would reach for my cheeks, and even eyes actually. I don't sport red eyeshadow a lot, but we shall see how this turns out. Let's start off with lips first. Oh wow, this is pretty pigmented. Now I'm just using my fingers for this, but if you want to create like a bold, defined lip, you can also use a lip brush to apply this color, but I'm just like a quick and easy kind of gal, so let's just go in quick with it. See, that looks really nice on your lips. It's quick and easy. I did apply lip balm after I took the other color off, so it's not as dry. So I would highly recommend putting like a chapstick on or something before laying this matte color down, because it is a little bit drying. I feel like 3CE lipsticks are generally a little bit more drying when it comes to the matte formula, at least. Okay, shall we move on to cheeks and eyes? I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna use the remainder that I have on my finger because this color is intense and I really don't want to F it up. So let's just like go in slow with it. Okay, so just tapping it in, slow and steady, slowly building up that color. You can definitely create that, you know, that Japanese hangover igari makeup look. I did a tutorial on that before, but they love a lot of blush like right underneath their eyes. They want that like drunken hangover makeup look. Now question, do you guys get really like flushed red when you drink alcohol? I know a lot of Asians do. What do they call it? The red flush or the hot flush or the, what is it? I can't remember what it's called, but I don't get that. See, I think because, I don't know, my dad doesn't get it and he drinks a lot. Okay, so I'm kind of digging this. It doesn't look that intense, especially because I've blended it out, but it kind of looks more like a pink and less of a red. Let's move on to eyes. Ooh, is it too much? Am I gonna look like I have like an allergy? I don't know if I like this, guys. I'm kind of regretting putting this on my eyes. I look like I got stung by something. This is the thing with red. This is why I don't use a lot of red eyeshadows, because I don't know, it kind of look like you have allergies or like you've been crying or an eye infection, and I'm not really going for that eye infected look. Okay, just gotta blend, It's looking better, Maybe I just need to add like highlight color so it's not just red on my eyes. Okay, as I blend it, it's looking more pink, but then I look like I've got pink eye, so I definitely need to combine it with another color. I'm just gonna go in with a brush to blend it out. It wasn't looking very even. Now that I've blended it out, it actually looks a lot better and a lot more wearable. Before I was looking a little bit itchy in the eye area, but yeah, actually looks quite nice. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this MAC highlight. This is Show Gold and it's like this rose gold color. I'm just using my fingers. If I pop that in the middle, see it's got this kind of like pinky reflex. I feel like this looks really nice with the cream color. This definitely looks a lot better once you add a little bit of like a highlight to your eye, so it looks like less itchy and irritated. So this is how I would wear Scarlet Red. Next color I'm going to try out is Hollyhock. This is a really nice pink shade with a bit of a yellowy hue to it. Once again, I'm going to use my fingers. And then let's do lips first. This is a really nice soft pink color. Move on to cheeks. Oh, I think I may have applied a little bit too much. Just blend it out with a clean finger. I'm such a huge fan of blush, and I feel like blush has kind of replaced my contouring. Like I find myself contouring less and just applying more blush to like a bigger surface area. And I feel like that kind of contours my face in a way as well. I guess I'm just really digging that really like flushed, blushed look. Okay, time for pink on the eyes. Now, I normally apply pink on my eyes, but combined with other colors. So again, I feel like it's the same issues. If you don't blend it out nicely or combine it with other colors, you can kind of look like you have hay fever or itchy eyes, you know. And I've just applied a little bit more blush like to my nose, so it kind of looks like I'm totally flushed or semi-sunburnt. Totally going for that sunburnt look. So this is what Hollyhock looks like. Moving on to the next shade, this is Morning Skinny. I guess in the morning you feel the skinniest generally, right? I might fast forward this so you don't get too bored of seeing the same thing, me applying on my lips, cheeks and eyes. So fast forward time. Okay, I may have applied a little bit too much on that side. Let's take some of that color off. So this is what Morning Skinny looks like. I feel like it has more of like a corally, a bit of like a neon hue to it. So I feel like when I put it on my cheeks, it was pretty intense. So I had to kind of go in with the brush and take some of it off. But in saying that, I still really dig this color. I feel like all the colors so far are super wearable, really easy to apply. And I can see myself like reaching for this regularly. Finally, the last shade I have here is Common Time. This is what it looks like on my skin. This color has more of a reddy orangey hue to it. Now I just quickly finished off my makeup. I combined Diatimer and Common Time together to create this look, and I've popped on some natural lashes from my brand Petite Cosmetics. This style is Dainty. Now it is time for my final verdict. I feel like you guys can already tell that I do really like this product. I feel like it's super easy to apply. I love the finish of it, and I love that it's a multi-use product that you can use on your lips, eyes. Why did I point to my cheeks and say it eyes? Lips, cheeks, and eyes. Mental blank, guys. All the colors that I used today I really, really like. I feel like my favorite though is Diatimer and Common Time, the one that I have on right now. I'm also a big fan of their formula. I don't think it's super easy to create a product that can go on your lips, your cheeks and your eyes and kind of like have that long wear effect. The only thing I would have to say is with the lip, I feel like it is more drying because it is a matte formula, but because it's a matte formula, I feel like the cheeks and the eyes last a lot longer. So it's kind of like give or take depending on what you like. But a quick and easy way to work around that little issue is just to apply lip balm or do like a lip scrub before you apply the product. That way it doesn't accentuate all the lines and flaky bits that tend to happen to me. So in saying all this, what would I rate this product? It has to be quite high. I think I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. I really do like the formula of this. I love that it's a multi-use product. I love the packaging. I just love that, you know, with one product you can create like a whole face look. A whole makeup look besides like brow and base. Also, I feel like the price is pretty fair considering you get to use it on like 3 parts of your face, so $18.55. I feel like it is quite affordable. Anyways, that is it to this episode of Tina Tries It. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also follow me on Instagram at Tina_Yong. You know you want to. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!